Hey guys, how's it going? It's Joe from Motorsports. Today we're going to show you how to professionally tint a car window. In this case, we have removed the seals and we're going to drop the tint behind the door panel with no seal there, and then we're going to squeegee it through. We're going to show you the process. The first step is to clean the outside of the glass so that when we put the tint to shrink it, you don't get any rocks or anything like that that could damage the inside of the tint. First thing, spray your soapy water solution. Then you want to take your Blue Max or any kind of squeegee. I like to wipe it in between. That way it keeps it nice and clean. Okay. Next step is we're going to re-wet the glass and put the tint on it and get it ready for shrinking. Step 2, shrinking. So what we want to do is to push all the fingers in the middle. So by doing that, what I typically like to do is go around the side, go around the top, and go around the other side. So this is where all the water is right now. I'm just going to push it all down to go and create as many fingers as possible. Get the heat gun. You're going to see the film wrinkle up. And that's when you know it's time that you can squeegee it down. Okay, so this is the second snap. After I shrunk it the first time, you can see that this is the extra material that I still need to shrink. And you're gonna see it wrinkle up. All I'm doing is putting medium to light pressure with a hard card. As you see now, it's absolutely flat against the glass. This tint is ready to go in. The seal's already been popped out. What we're gonna do now is clean all the outside seals as well as the glass. So this is the process to get a really clean installation. First, you wanna drop the glass all the way down. Then you wanna take your spray bottle, spray a little bit of soap and water. Next step is to clean the side seals as well as the overarch. You want to get this really clean so then that way any water that comes down won't contaminate the film. So as you see, I'm cleaning all the way inside there, and this is all the dirt that is catching. Once it's clean, lift up the window. I'm going to quickly clean the top edge. Go all the way up. Spray soap and water. New blade all the time. I changed this earlier today. Want to scrape at a low angle so that way you don't scratch any glass. I like to feel the window after to make sure that there's no contaminants left on the glass. Run my finger on the top edge one more time. I'm gonna take my Blue Max. Squeegee side to side. Make sure the glass is absolutely clean. Now that the dirt is on the sides, I'm gonna take a triangle tool. You could use whatever you prefer. You just wanna clean the sides down. And since that we're loading this all the way down, I'm gonna clean all the way down there. I'm not touching the glass or anything to contaminate it. Okay, now she is ready for the installation. Okay, now that the film has been installed on the window, we're just going to be popping back the seal. It just snaps out here, and these things just slide in. There's other cars that are harder, which would require the full door panel to be removed. So after it's there, snap it all back. Then dry the top. Dry the full window, and then we're going to check it on the outside, make sure it's a clean installation. That's how you get a really clean professional installation for window tinting by taking the seals out.